Yeah, good evening to all. This is we are from CHEM Academy. So those who are going to write JEE mains exam in the January 2026, we are going to discuss about the best strategy. In the day before yesterday's video, I have explained for how many marks you are getting 99.2 and how for how many marks you are getting 99.9 percentile. Okay. Now, in yesterday's video, I have explained to you about the important topics of maths, physics, chemistry. So, the last day before yesterday's class, I have explained to you that to score 99.9 percentile, so you had to attempt nearly 270. It will be a 270 marks. So here you have to attempt 56 questions. So here it may be 58 questions. So here the range varies from an average we got 234 marks. So if you score in one session it was 270, but average it is 234. So now to get the 99.2 percentile, one has to score 186 marks like that on an average. So here it may be roughly 46 questions, number of questions. So the range 234 to 186. So here you will be getting 186 or 184 to 186 marks to 234 marks. So here you have to attempt the questions 46 to 58 in between. So that you will be getting 99.2 to 99.9 percentile. So you see here, if you are getting 99.2 percentile above, that means you will be getting core branches, main branches in the prestigious NITs. Okay, so your aim should be attempting 46 to 58 questions. So if you take for that, if you take so you'll be, if you attempt 50 questions properly, that means you'll be in between 99.2 99.9. That means you'll be nearly at 99.5 percentile. Okay, so your aim should be 50 questions plus or minus 2. Okay, now what is the best strategy to score JEE mains in the, that means to get a 99.5 percentile? What is the best strategy? So here you have to attempt 52 questions, or sometimes it may be, depending on the paper, it may be 48 also, 48 or 52. So on an average, if you take 50 questions, if you attempt correctly, you will be getting 99.5 percentile. Okay, that will give you so that you will get seat in NITs. Okay, now, so I explained you that to score 50 questions, to attempt 50 questions correctly, your strategy should be it should be, so you'll be knowing that there are 75 questions. You have to attempt 75 questions, right? So in the exam they are giving 90 questions, 30 from maths, 30 from physics, 30 from chemistry. From the 20 in each subject, 20 will be multiple choice questions, and 10 will be that number, that is that is you'll be getting numerical attempting questions. Okay, numerical answer type questions, NAT, numerical answer type questions. It will be given 10 will be given, you have to attempt only 5, and 20 will be MCQs in each subject. 20 will be MCQs in each subject. So you will be getting you have to attempt in maths, you will be getting 30 questions. Out of that you have to write 25. In physics also you have to attempt 25. In chemistry also you have to attempt 25. Now in this 20 will be multiple choice questions, and whereas numerical answer type will be 10 will be given, you have to attempt any 5. Okay, So your aim should be you have to score 50. Okay, 50 questions or 50 to 54 you take. Now what will be your strategy? Now you see here you have three subjects are there: maths, physics, chemistry are there. In each subject you'll be asked 30 questions. Okay, you have to attempt 25 questions. Now you think that one subject is very easy, or one subject is you may feel okay, and one another subject you will feel difficult, right? Now the two subjects in which you feel very easy, from that you try to attempt 20 questions each, so that it will be 40. So the leftover subject, which one you feel tough, at least try to attempt 14 questions, so that it will be nearly 54. So it definitely will get 99.5 above percentile. Surely you will be getting. So here your aim should be, out of 30 questions given, you can skip some topics in that also, in your the subjects which you feel very easy also. If you feel some topics are not interesting, or you feel tough, you can leave those topics, but you have to attempt 20 questions correctly. 20 in each subject, to 22 is 40 questions. And the subject which you feel very tough, where it is maths or physics or chemistry, try to attempt 14 questions out of 30. Out of 30, try to attempt 14 questions correctly, so that you will be able to answer 54 questions. At least you will be getting you will be answering 50 questions correctly. So this will be your strategy. Follow this strategy, you definitely will get 99.5 and above percentile. Okay, so out of three subjects, choose two subjects which you feel somewhat easy. Try to attempt 20 multiple choice questions or numerical answer type questions, NATs. On the whole, at least try to, out of 30 you have to attempt 20 correctly. So among 30 also you can leave some topics. Okay, now the subject which you feel tough, try to attempt at least 14 questions. Read the syllabus. In yesterday's class I explained to you the important math topics, important physics topics, important chemistry topics. Read, suppose if you feel math stuff, read those 7 topics yesterday I discussed with you. So concentrate on those topics. Okay, so here out of 30 questions you have to attempt only 14 from the tough. Okay, even in your easier subject also you can leave 10 questions. Okay, so this should be your strategy, so that you will be getting 99.5 percentile and above. Okay, okay. Suppose unfortunately this time if you may not score, sometimes, okay, if it happens like that, you have another chance is there in the month of April. But try to utilize a January as try to utilize a January only. Okay, because in this attempt only you have to finish this JEE mains. Okay, by scoring by attempting 54 questions perfectly correctly, so that next the remaining time, January to May, you can utilize for your JEE advanced. Here we are with you to support you and to encourage you and to achieve your goals. We are here, CHEM Academy. Okay, so in today's class what we discussed, the best strategy for JEE mains 2006. In this, your aim should be attempting 50 to 54 questions out of 75. It is it's 90 actually. So 75 questions you have to answer correctly. Okay, so as you know, this one, in each subject you will be getting to 25 questions. So in your easier subjects, try to attempt 20 questions in each subject. 20 like that. In two subjects you will be getting 40. The one which one you feel tough, try to attempt only 14 to 15 questions. Okay, so that you will be getting 50 to 54 questions, and your success will be 100% in the JEE mains January session only. So do subscribe our channel. And so if you want to know the topics which are very important, try to see yesterday's video. And what was the pattern in the, what was actually the blueprint, or otherwise what was for how many marks you got 99.2, 99.9. To check this, watch my day before yesterday's video, so that you will be getting clarity. Okay, so all the best, beta. So do subscribe my channel. And okay, since I am a chemistry faculty, from today onwards, that is from tomorrow onwards to the till 22nd or 21st, I'm going to give you the most important topics that I'm going to discuss in 15 to 20 minutes only, so that you will be able to answer 15 to 20 questions. So my assurance to you is, I will definitely in the next 20 days, you will be getting from my classes 15 to 20 questions. I already explained the hybridization concept. You can watch that video. You will be getting from that two questions. Okay. So follow my channel and do watch regularly the next 20 days. Okay. All the best, better.